All right.
Thank you for watching. This is group 4 of CST 225. I am Danae.
I'm Leanne.
I'm Control.
I'm Andre.
So, BizConnect Pro is a database that is used in business environments for small to large corporations by managing employee information. Unlike an Excel file, the database is able to handle interconnected data. So, HR specialists will have special administrative access that would be accessible just to those internally, so not to the public or any hourly employees. So the web interface will resemble a self-service portal similar to Workday to keep the records updated. So some examples would be payroll, onboarding, offboarding, and contact information. So I will now hand it over to Leanne and she will discuss further about the web interface and how we came about BizConnect Pro.
Thank you. We used HTML and CSS to create a standardized styling across all of our pages. So you'll see that we have a uniform color scheme that doesn't take too much attention from the actual information on the website. So if you move over to our ad page over here, our menu on the left-hand side stays the same, but then the information on the right-hand side dynamically changes. So this happens regardless of which page you're using. This is a way that we use JavaScript to enhance our website's interface. So if we look at the forms over here, we'll also notice that there are placeholders for each input type. So the user knows where they should be adding emails, where they should be adding names, and where they should be adding numbers. If we were to submit without inputting anything, we would get an error message that lets the user know which specific inputs are required. So if we were to correct this, maybe add a department and submit again, that is removed from our message. So the whole website is dynamic and things change as they should. I'll pass it over to Contrell to talk more about the SQL aspect of our site.
All right. As far as the SQL aspect of this, we utilize PHP a lot to actually put in a few of our things. So I'm just going to put in a dummy person real quick. We're just going to name him Pablo, and we're going to name it Smith, P. Smith at gmail.com. I'm also going to make him a manager of Department 3. We're going to have his hire date as 2012 because he's been there for a while. I'm going to hit submit there. As you can see, our database has been added to our info has been added to our database. You can see it actually in list all. We just made Pablo Smith here. You can see everything that we just put in. And as far, let's say that we actually jumped the gun on making Pablo a manager. And we want to change him and update his actual position to assistant manager. And that's what we're going to do here. Smith, and Department 3. It's our date way back then. You can see that it was recorded successfully. And if we go back to list all, we can see that Pablo is now an assistant manager here. Now, if we go into delete and we actually don't want Pablo here, delete him. It's like he was never there. However, we can still see our other employees here. And if we need to put in a review for a department, we can do that as well. And let's see, 240430. We're going to say that department number 3 actually got a 98 on their score. and we're actually going to submit that, and that was entered into the database. And now, as soon as you come up within the actual back end of it, you will see the fact that um, Department 3 has a 98 on their performance reviews. And that is most of our BizConnectPro app. I'm just going to show the search function. As you can see, we can search somebody and actually come up with their entire profile. So we do cover the create, the delete, the update, and review there. And I'm going to pass it off to Andre.
All right. So in our upcoming enhancements for BizConnect Pro, we aim to significantly improve user experience and broaden our service offerings. First, we will refine the search functionality to support both first and last names, allowing for more precise and user-friendly queries. Additionally, we are planning to expand our collaborations with diverse companies, introducing single sign-on SSO capabilities and developing flexible pricing models tailored to meet the specific needs of various company sizes and sectors. These updates are designed to make BizConnect Pro more adaptable and valuable in a competitive market, ensuring that our clients receive personalized solutions that truly fit their business requirements. Thank you for listening to our presentation today.
Hi, guys. All right.
Hi.
And this right here is going to be the front end to our product. It will actually show you a little bit more about us and what you can actually do with this whole entire app. That Hey, you can look at pay statements, employee information, which we just saw, departmental reviews, which we just saw, department information, which is going to be on the back end on SQL, which can be requested at any time. And if you make the purchase through here, you will actually see the website that we actually just showed, and that is going to be the back end of that. So appreciate your time.